Today I'm going to be sharing 5 painting techniques to take your paintings from looking flat and bland to making them more fun and pop off the canvas. Make sure you watch until the end because painting technique number 5 is a really interesting one. Technique number 1 is using plastic wrap. This is a very easy way to instantly make your painting look more interesting. You start off by adding any kind of colors that you want. I definitely recommend planning a color palette before putting painting on the canvas, just to make sure that your colors are going to complement each other and are not going to get all muddy once you've added the plastic wrap. Once you have all the colors onto the canvas, you're going to lay down plastic wrap. You can do this in several different sections. For this particular painting, I did it in 2 sections. And then there are 2 ways of going about it. You can either push down using a palette knife or your hands, and you can lift off the plastic wrap, or you can actually slide it off, and it's going to give off this really beautiful effect where all the colors have been kind of pushed together and have this kind of almost like a wave water looking effect. Technique number 2 is using a palette knife. I talk about this one all the time on my channel, but there are 2 types of palette knives. You've got your standard metal and then you've got your flat. Flat ones are great if you want to make really large kind of effects with them. Using a palette knife and experimenting with it, it's such an amazing way to create depth, interest. You can add multiple colors just in one stroke and it makes the painting look so more interesting. It also brings texture and adds this 3D effect to your painting. So if you haven't tried palette knife before, I highly recommend you do. Just add it on top of your painting once you're done and watch how your whole painting comes to life just by adding those few added extra touches with the palette knife. Technique number 3 is pouring your paint. This is a really fun way to, again, experiment and let the unpredictability of the paint react before you have the time to decide exactly what you want to do. All you have to do is select your color palette, so choose colors that are going to blend really well together. And once you've poured your paint, you're going to let your canvas completely dry and let the organic shapes of the paint take place. And when you come back to it, you'll be able to create these magical fantasy style paintings. This is such a fun technique because it takes away all the thinking of the painting and allows everything to happen naturally. This is such a fun technique to play around with because the opportunities are endless, and each time you're going to do this, you'll get a different result. This technique is really easy to do, so it's perfect for beginners or anyone who wants to try painting in a more abstract style. Technique number 4 is to unify your palette. Now this is taking any of the colors that you are going to be putting in your painting and choosing one base color to mix into all of those colors. By doing this, you are going to give all of the colors a harmony. Instead of it clashing together, they're going to all complement each other. This is a really simple and easy way to make your paintings look instantly better. Technique number 5 is using a makeup brush to blend. I tried this technique out earlier this year and ever since I have fallen in love with it. It's as simple as putting down some paint onto your canvas and using a makeup brush to blend it out. It gives the most softest and smoothest blend. I have tried so many different kinds of paint brushes to try and get a smooth blend and none of them work as well as this makeup brush. I just got this off Amazon. It was relatively cheap, but it is one of the paint brushes that I use almost every painting that I do, and I cannot recommend it enough. So those are my 5 techniques that I really recommend you try before your next painting. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments which technique you enjoyed the most. Don't forget to like, subscribe. I post new videos every single week on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I'm going to leave a link to all of the paintings you saw in this video. I have a tutorial on every single one of them, so you can find that in the description down below.